formula? N sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root of n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Let us get formula first. N sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root of n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Now, when will we apply this formula? This is to be applied when values of x and y are small. This formula we will apply in the long questions when the values of x and y are small. Now, what is small? That definition is relative. It depends from person to person. I consider that less than 20 values are small because generally we can know the squares of less than 20 even without doing our calculation. So it depends on you. If you feel that you don't know the squares of more than 10 values, then for you the small values are up to 10. If you know that you don't know the squares of more than 5, then for you small values are up to 5. But general rule, if you want to follow, you can say if the values are up to 20, they are small. More than 20 will consider as big values. So if majority values are less than 20, we will apply this formula. Like for example, exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, 83, page number 83. Taken that? Now, look at first question of page number 83. Are the values big or small? Big. 170, 169, we have big values. Question 2, 24, 26, so on. Big. Question 3, 60, 80, 50, so on. Big. Question 4, 12, 8 times. So question 4 we will solve by this formula. Able to understand this?
Yes.
How to solve by this formula? I'll explain you first, then you'll be writing it. First question I'll explain you, second you will explain me, third you'll try on your. Okay. So question number 4, exercise 2.2.
Page number 82.
Yes, page number 83. Yes? See, student. Keep it in the cabin itself. Please keep it in the cabin itself. Now, page 83, exercise 2.2, question number 4. Understand this? First of all, to check the ability of mathematics and logic of the students, both are poor. We must get no degree of correlation. To check the ability of mathematics and logic of the students of a city, a private educational institution gives 20 puzzles based on these two subjects to 6 children selected from the various schools. The number of puzzles solved by them is given below. First of all, we will have to define x and y. Always first variable will define as x, second as y, because generally x is used for independent variable and y is used for
Independent.
But here it's nothing like that. So any time if you are not able to judge dependent and independent, first variable x, second variable first we will mention that. Let number of puzzles solved on mathematics be x. Let number of puzzles solved on logic be y. Is everyone clear with it? Compute the correlation coefficient between performance of children in two types of puzzles using the given data. In exams, when nothing is mentioned, you are supposed to solve the question by Carl Pearson's product moment method. For scatter diagram, they'll mention scatter diagram. And the next one which we'll do, Spearman's. They'll mention the word rank correlation or Spearman's method. But when nothing is mentioned, you are required to do it by Got it, everyone? So first let us define it. Write down, let number of puzzles solved on mathematics be x, and let number of puzzles solved on logic be y. Got it, everyone? First we are supposed to define x and y. Now put your pens down. First understand what workings you have to make, then you'll do it along with me. Okay? X and y values are already given to you. Now since the values are small, we are going to use this formula. But as a matter of practice, always find x bar and y bar. It will be useful in other formulas. So we will follow that in all the questions. Always find x bar and y bar first. Sigma x upon n, sigma y upon n. However, we are using this formula directly. So three workings are required. One is x square. Second is y square. Third is x square. Sigma x will get from here itself. Sigma y will get from here itself. And this is sigma x whole square. So sigma x whole square, whatever total comes, square of that. This is sigma y. So whatever total of y comes, whole square of that. So we require these three workings: xy, x square, y square. Throughout the chapter, remember, three workings are required: products and squares. Speaking they are two, but actually they are three, because squares are there of square of x as well as
Y.
and product x into y. Throughout the chapter, three standard workings: squares, product, square of x, square of y, and product of x and y. Understood that? So write the values of x and y. Any confusion with the workings to be done?
No.
All are clear with it?
Yes.
Did all of you write the values of x and y? Raise your hand who is still writing the values of x and y. Everyone has written it? Now first we need x squared, means all the values of x are to be squared. Yeah, last year I told you, how will you do the square directly in calculator? Simply press into n equals to. Do it, everyone. 12 into m plus. Do it as I am saying. 12 into n plus m plus. Don't press all in between. But everyone, do 8 into m plus. Do you get 64?
Yes.
9 into m plus. Do you all get 81? 10 into m plus. 100? 8 into m plus 64, 11 into m plus 121. Press MR or MRC.
5.5.
Press MR or MRC. 5,
74.
74. That is the total. So you don't have to do the labor of doing the total again. If you put the things in m plus. Press MC or MRC again and cancel the old memory. Okay, press MC or MRC and cancel the old memory so that we can put the new one now. Press on 2-3 times to assure that it gets cancelled. Same way now we'll do it with y square. Anyone who did not understand x square? Next question I'll be asking you, okay? Now y square means all these values of y are to be squared. So do 11 into m plus 121,
Yes.
10 into m plus 100, 4 into m plus, able to get 16, 7 into m plus 49, 13 into m plus 169, 16 into m plus 256, plus MR or MRC 7, 1, 1. Do you all understand this? Anyone who is having any doubt in it? Raise your hand who is still doing up till y square. Everyone understand it? Now, xy again press MC or MRC and cancel the memory. Press on 2-3 times to assure that it gets cancelled. Now product we will put it in. xy means product of x into y. That will put in the memory. Do 12 into 11 m plus. Then do 8 into 10 m plus. Then do 9 into 4 m plus. Then do 10 into 7 m plus. Then do 8 into 13 m plus. 104?
Yes.
And 11 into 16 m plus 176 plus MR 598. Are you all clear with this? Raise your hand who did not understand any of the workings. You'll be able to answer me in the next question, okay?
Yes.
Total of x and y will also be required.
58
58, 61. As I said, just as a matter of practice, always find x bar and y bar. Here it is of no use, but find it. It will be useful in the other formulas. So x bar sigma x upon n 58 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 9.67 y bar sigma y upon n 61 divided by 6 10.17. In this formula it is of no use, but you find it in all the questions. Okay? Anyone who is not clear with the workings, now we will put this in the formula. But putting in the formula, you have to be careful at certain places where you are liable to make a mistake. I'll tell you that. Where there are chances of making a mistake. Okay? First write down this formula. R equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Get in the formula, everyone? Now, raise your hand who is still writing the formula. And do raise your hand if you are still lagging behind, okay? Everyone is written the formula? Now, n is, first of all, I told you, do remember that these three places you will have n. This is the first place where maximum students make mistakes. Number of observations are 6. So, n is 6. Did you write that? Sigma xy, see what is the total of xy? 598. Any confusion so far?
No.
Minus sigma x, what is the total of x? 58.
61.
And sigma y, what is the total of y? 61. Are you all clear with this? Divided by square root. Any confusion in the numerator? N is again 6. Sigma x square 574. See here, everyone. What is sigma x square? 574. But minus sigma x whole square is 58 whole square. Understood the difference? Sigma x square is 574 total of x square, and sigma x whole square, so sigma x is 58 whole square. Are you okay with the difference in these two?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you did not understand it. Same way, square root of what is it? 6. What will we take in sigma y square? 711 minus what will we take in sigma y whole square? 61 whole square. Is everyone clear with this? So this is the total of square, this is the square of total. There is a difference. Right? Sigma x square is the total of squares, and sigma x whole square is the square of total. Got it, everyone? Now, Yuvraj, 6 into 598. Why? In my period, everyone must be having the calculators. If I ask you any calculation at any point of time, you must be able to answer. I'll not allow it in the next period. Valerie, 6 into 598.
3588.
3588 minus Method 58 into 61. What is your name? Ishan. Sorry, Ishan 58 into 61. 3538 upon square root of Prina 6 into 574. 3444 minus Russian 58 square 3364 into square root of Renuka 6 into 711
4266.
minus others maintain silence Dhruv 61 square 3721. Did everyone understand this? Raise your hand who is still writing up till here. Everyone has completed up till here. Now 3588 minus 3538 is 50 upon square root of 3444 minus 3364 is 80 and square root of 4266 minus 721 is 545. Any confusions? Now 50 upon Khushbu square root of 80 8.94. After 4 what is it?
4.
After 4 again this 4 only? Then 94. If the third digit is 5 or more, you'll increase it. Okay? Into a double square root of 545. $23.35. 50 divided by Yashvi 8.94 into 23.35 208.74 so 75. Now do it 50 upon 208.75.
0.24.
See already I told you weak correlation.
Yeah.
Now 0.24 is near to 0 or near to 1?
Partially positive.
0.24 is it near to 0 or near to 1? Near to 0. So it is low degree of positive correlation. Understood that or not? Question number 5. I'll be asking you everything now. I'll explain this question in detail. And after that one question you'll try completely on your Look at that. Find the correlation coefficient between capital that is in crore rupees invested and the profit which is again in crore rupees from the following data. Company has no relevance. Capital investment will be denoted as
X.
and profit as.
Y.
So first write that let capital investment in bracket crore rupees be X below that let profit in bracket crore rupees be Y. So X, Y and what three workings?
X square, Y square, and X square.
X square, Y square and XY. Okay? Write the values of X and Y in the question first. And use the memory functions as I explained you, that will save a lot of your time. Okay, using the memory functions will save a lot of your time. This is 15, 37, 49, 59, 76, 96, 110
Yes.
and 9, 21, 29, 35, 45, 54, 64. These two totals 110 and 64. Is everyone clear with it?
Yes.
Now raise your hand who is still writing up till here. Shall I proceed further?
Yes.
Okay, so Janvi X square
225.
225. Other silence. When I'm asking someone, I want pin drop silence in the class.
484.
22 square 484.
144.
12 square 144.
100.
10 square 100.
289.
17 square 289.
400.
20 square 400.
196.
14 square 196.
1838.
Total 1838. Raise your hand who is not clear with X square. All are clear with this? Okay? Then Mewadi Y square
81,
9 square 81.
144,
12 square 144.
64,
8 square 64.
36,
6 square 36.
100,
10 square 100.
81,
9 square 81.
100,
10 square 100.
606.
Total is 606. Is everyone able to get it?
105.
Third page, what is your name? Mega. XY. 15 into 9, 135. 22 into 12, 264. 12 into 8, 96. 10 into 6, 60. 17 into 10, 170. 20 into 9, 180. And 14 into 10, 140. $1,045?
Yes.
Okay, 1045 is the total. Did everyone understand it? For formality, we will find x bar and y bar. So x bar sigma x upon n X bar.
110 upon 7.
110 upon 7. You also don't have the calculator.
One 1.43.
110 divided by 7.
Finger goes to be forward my calculator.
15.71.
Tell me second also y bar. Sigma y upon n. 64 divided by 7.
9.14.
9.14. Sit down. Is everyone clear with it?
Yes.
Now write down this formula. Everyone at page 111, section D, question number 11. Be attentive. The following information, this is a short question. If you remember, I told you yesterday that formulas 4, 5 and 6 will be used in long questions as well as short questions. Previous one, what we did where workings were to be made, they were long questions, will be for 5 marks in exams. Last 3 questions what we have done, they will have weightage of 5 marks. And this one's what we are doing now will have weightage of 2 or 3 marks. Direct formula is to be applied. Workings are not required. See that? The following information is obtained for 9 tenths of observation. What is 9? And right now, sigma x 51. See, it's directly given. Earlier we calculated and now it is directly given. So write down sigma x equals to 51. Sigma y is equal to 72. Sigma x square. Yes, similar and what is the confusion? Sigma x square equals to 315. Sigma y square is equal to 582. And sigma xy 408. Find correlation coefficient. One more thing, in exams when they mention only correlation coefficient, it always means Karl Pearson's. In Spearman's, they'll always mention either Spearman or rank. Either they mention the word Spearman or they mention the word rank. Nothing is mentioned when you have to find Karl Pearson's. Did you write this information? So all the values are directly given. The formula which we discussed right now, directly that formula is to be applied. Okay, write down. R is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Did you all write the formula? Everyone? Now, number put the values. N is 9 into sigma xy is 408. Do you all get this? Minus sigma x is 51 into sigma y is 72 upon square root. Please don't speak in between. N is 9 into sigma x square, all of you can see is 315 minus sigma x, that is 51 whole square into square root. N is again 9 into sigma y square is 582 minus sigma y 72 whole square. Sit down. Is everyone clear with that? Raise your hand who did not understand the substitution of values. Further. 9 into 408 3672. 51 into 72 also 3672 upon 9 into 315 2835. 51 square 2601 into square root of 9 into 582 is 5238 minus 72 square 5184. Sit down. Now 0 is the answer. 3672 minus 3672 0 divided by anything 0. What would you interpret for this? No linear correlation. And if you mention simply no correlation, 0 marks. Okay, you should mention no linear, and when an answer comes 0, interpretation compulsory. Always write it down. So mention it below that. Thus there is no linear correlation between x and y. So all of you have understood this will be for 2 to 3 marks, and previously what we did would be for 5 marks where calculations are also involved. Look at question number 10. Be attentive. The following data is available for 2 variables, rainfall in mmx. Now we don't have to denote it, so already denoted as x. and yield of crop quintal per hectare y. It's already denoted as n is equal to 10, x bar is equal to 120, y bar is equal to 150, sx is equal to 30, sy is equal to 40, and sigma xy is equal to 1,89,000. Okay, now don't raise your voice, you raise only your hands. Take out the formulas, 6 formulas are there. Raise your hand, look at these figures and tell me, out of the 6, which formula will be used? Third one, speak out the third formula.
R is equal to sigma xy.
Now see here, R equals to sigma xy, is it given? Yes. Further,
Minus n
minus n, is it given? Yes.
x bar
Into x bar is also given.
into y bar
Into y bar is also given.
upon n
Upon n is given.
into sx
Into sx is given.
into s.
Into sy is given. Very good. Is everyone clear with this? So you have to apply any of the 6 formulas in short questions, and how will you decide looking at the information given? And what is necessary for that? Remember the 6 formulas. That's why I gave you 20 times. Okay, until you remember the 6 formulas, you will not be able to identify which one is to be used. So write down 50 times you have to write this formula. R equals to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n into sx into sy. Mohit put the figure 000. Sigma xy is 1,89,000, n is 10, into x bar is 120, y bar is 150, upon n is again 10, sx is 30, and sy is 40. Sit down. Is everyone clear with this? So 1,89,000 minus 1,80,000. 10 into 120 into 150, 1,80,000 divided by 12,000. 10 into 30 into 40. 9,000 divided by 12,000, 0.75.
Yes.
Is every one of you clear with this? High degree of positive correlation if it is asked. So all of you are clear with this small values questions what we repeated again this 4th formula n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. This formula will be used when the values of x and y are small. Small means up to 20. Look at exercise 2.2 page 84 question number 6. The following information is available for 5 students selected from a school regarding the average number of study hours per day and the average number of sleeping hours. So number of study hours you will mark it as x. Number of sleeping hours you will mark it as y. Can you see maximum value is 10 in both of them? So are the values small or big? Small. They all are within 20. We'll be using this formula. Okay. First we will denote x and y. So write down let number of study hours be x and let number of sleeping hours be y. Okay. And values of x and y we will write down 10, 5, 7, 5, 3 are the values of x and 6, 9, 7, 8, 10 are the values of. Got it everyone? Raise your hand who is writing up till here still. All have written the values of x and y. Now throughout the chapter we need only 3 workings in every question. Remember this. Repeat squares, and product. 3 workings are needed. Squares and product. By 3 squares means x square, y square. So 2 workings involved in squares. Product means x into y. Look at the formula carefully. We require x square, we require y square, we require x into y. Rest everywhere is x only, y only. So throughout the chapter we require 3 workings. Squares and product. Is everyone clear with it? So x square, y square, x, y. Any confusion so far? Everyone has written up till here. Shall I proceed further? Very first. 10, 15, 22, 27, 30 is the total of x. Okay. 6, 15, 22, 20, 30, 40. 40 is the total of y. Okay. Now take out your calculators and use the memory functions as I am explaining. Okay. That will increase your speed in doing the calculations. First of all, check the screen of calculator. Is any M displayed? There should not be any memory displayed. If it is so, Then you'll have a key of MC or MRC. Press that and cancel the memory. Okay, MC or MRC, you are able to find that key and press on 2-3 times so that no memory is there. Okay. Now listen carefully. X square means we need 10 square, 5 square, 7 square, 5 square and 3 square. So how do we do it on calculator and automatically get the totals also? Do it as I am saying. Don't press on in bit. Okay. Don't press on anywhere in bit. Do it 10 into m plus. You find the key of m plus. Press it. What do you get? 100. 100. Don't press on. Shall I repeat it? 10 into m plus. Now do 5 into m plus. Do you get 25? Write it down. Do 7 into m plus. Do you get 49? Write it down. Done up till here? 5 into m plus. Do you get 25? 3 into m plus. Do you get 9? Press MR or MRC. Do you find that key? Press it. What do you get? 208. Everyone gets it? Directly you get the total. So no need to waste time in doing the total again. Press MC or MRC again and see that memory M letter goes off from the scheme. Okay? Press on again and now same way we do it for y square. Raise your hand who did not understand x square values. Do it 6 into m plus. Do you get 36? Write down. 9 into m plus. Do you get anyone? Write down. 7 into m plus. Do you get 49? Write down. 8 into m plus. Do you get 64? And 10 into m plus. Do you get 100? Plus MR or MRC. 330. Does everyone get this? Anyone who did not understand y square? Now x into y. Again press MC or MRC and cancel the memory. Press on 2-3 times. Now x into y means product of these two. Here also we'll use the memory. X into y, so 10 into 6. Do 10 into 6 and press m plus. Do you get 60? 5 into 9 and m plus. Do you get 45? 7 into 7 and m plus. Do you get 49? 5 into 8 and m plus. Do you get 40? 3 into 10 and m plus. Do you get 30? Press MR or MRC. 2, 20. Any confusions with this? So everyone is clear with the workings to be done throughout the chapter. We require 3 workings: squares and rule. Okay, now write on this formula. We have to apply the formula and put the figures in that. R equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root of n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Raise your hand who is still writing up till the formula. All have written it? Now understand carefully what I am explaining, which values to put, because I will be asking you in the next question. Okay. First of all, n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You all can count, there are 5 observations. So n is 5. Okay. Now sigma xy. Can you see this xy? Sigma xy, total of xy 224. Add on in bracket 224. Okay. Minus. Now what is this? Sigma x. Sigma x, total of x is 30. Okay. Sigma x, total of x is 30 into sigma y. Total of y is 40 upon square root. Again n is 5. Okay. Sigma x square. X square's total is 208. So sigma x square 208. Okay. Minus sigma x whole square. Sigma x is 30. So sigma x whole square means 30 whole square. Be careful. Sigma x square is 208. Okay. And sigma x whole square is 30 whole square. Understood that? Into square root. N is again 5. Sigma y square is 330. Can you all see that y square is total 330? Minus sigma y is 40 whole square. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand who did not understand it. All are clear with it? So now 5 into 224 1120. Check it everyone. Do you get it? 5 into 224 1120 minus 30 into 40 1200 upon. Did you write it till here? Square root of 5 into 208 1040. Okay, 5 into 208 1040. Do you all get this? 30 square 900. Okay, into square root of 5 into 330, 1650 minus 40 square 1600. Any confusion with this? Now 1120 minus 1200 minus 80. We discussed correlation can be positive as well as okay upon square root of 140. 1040 minus 900 is 140 and 1650 minus 1600 is 50 into square root of 50. Any confusions with this? Minus 80 upon 11 point. After 83, what is the next digit? 2. So you keep it 3 only. If the third digit is 5 or more, then second digit increase by 1. What is square root of 57.0? After 7? 1. So you keep it 0. Got it everyone? Any doubts up till here? Now minus 80 upon. Do this product 11.83 into 7.07. 83.64. After 64? After 64? 638. So 64. After 63, the next number is more than 5. So we increase 3 to 4. Now what is this? Minus 0.9. After 95? 6. So you increase it. 96. Okay, third digit is 5 or more, then second digit will be increased. Any confusion in this? First of all, positive or negative? Negative. Near to 1 or near to 0? So, high degree of negative correlation. And quite logical. Sleeping hours and study hours. You study for more hours. You'll sleep less. Negative correlation inverse. High degree of negative correlation. Did everyone understand this? Just for knowledge, interpretation is not asked. But if it is asked, then this interpretation we would have written. That there is high degree of negative correlation between number of study hours and number of days